Everyone thinks the best-selling motorcycle tail bag is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Moziso Motorcycle Tail Bag. The Moziso Motorcycle Tail Bag caught my eye right away, especially with its affordable price of $33.99. With a solid rating of 4.4 stars from over 1,300 reviews, it's not just another bag. It's a bestseller for a reason. If you want a reliable storage solution for your rides, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This bag offers a 10-liter capacity, perfect for stashing your essentials like your phone, wallet, or tools while you're on the go. The waterproof PU leather material means you won't have to worry about rain ruining your gear. Plus, its anti-slip design ensures it stays put even on bumpy rides. With over 500 units sold in the past month, it's clear that many riders trust this bag to keep their belongings secure. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit small for longer trips. Here's the thing though, if you're just commuting or running errands, this size is more than enough. It's all about what you need it for. This is perfect for you if you're a casual rider looking for a compact, affordable bag. Skip this one if you need something for extended touring trips. For the price, you get solid value without breaking the bank. Now, if the Moziso's capacity bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with much more space. Product number 2, Kemomoto Expandable Tail Bag. The Kemomoto Motorcycle Tail Bag stands out with its expandable capacity, priced reasonably at $59.99. With a 4.6-star rating from 1,200 users, it's clear this bag has found its fans. If you want flexibility in storage, this one is worth checking out. What's great about this bag is its 22 to 34-liter expandable capacity, which can accommodate everything from clothes to helmets. The waterproof rain cover is a lifesaver during those unexpected downpours, keeping your gear dry. Plus, the dual-use design means you can wear it as a backpack or carry it as a handbag, making it super practical for those on-the-go moments. With thousands sold, it's a reliable choice for various motorcycle models. However, some riders pointed out that it might not fit dirt bikes well. But if you have a motorcycle with a rear rack, you're in the clear, and the versatility makes a smart buy. This is perfect for you if you're planning longer rides or need extra storage space. Skip this if you're just looking for a small bag for quick trips. Overall, it offers great bang for your buck. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for true road warriors. Product number 3, Rhino-Walk 60L Tail Bag. Next up is the Rhino-Walk Motorcycle Tail Bag. And let me tell you, this is a heavy hitter priced at $109.99. With a stellar 4.6-star rating from 1,100 reviews, it's built for those who need serious storage. If you're planning a long trip or road adventure, this bag is worth a serious look. This bag offers a whopping 60-liter capacity, expandable from 40 liters, meaning you can pack everything you need, and then some. The tough, tear-resistant material paired with a rain cover means your items are safe from bad weather. Plus, the anti-slip base provides stability, so you won't have to worry about it shifting during a ride. Given its quality and reviews, it's clear that many riders appreciate the durability and space. Now, some users mentioned it can be bulky when not full. But honestly, if you're someone who needs that extra room for gear, this isn't a deal breaker at all. It's designed to be spacious. This is perfect for you if you're a touring enthusiast who values space and durability. Skip this one if you prefer something more compact for short rides. For the price, you're getting a lot of bag here. Now, if you're looking for something that combines quality with a unique design, check out the next one. Product number 4, Rhino-Walk Expandable Tail Bag. Also from Rhino-Walk is another expandable tail bag at the same price of $109.99, and it's equally impressive. With a 4.6-star rating from over 800 reviews, it's another solid option. If you want versatility without compromising on quality, this bag might catch your eye. This bag mirrors the previous one with its 60-liter capacity, but offers additional features like a reinforced frame for stability. The waterproof capabilities are also top-notch, rated for up to 6,000 millimeters water pressure, so you can ride confidently in the rain. Plus, the reflective printing adds an extra layer of safety for night rides. With 50 units sold recently, it's gaining traction among riders who appreciate its functionality. Some did find it heavy when fully packed. However, for those who prioritize storage and durability, this is a minor issue, and the benefits far outweigh this drawback. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable bag for long-distance travel. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight for quick trips. Considering its features, it's a worthwhile investment. Finally, if you want a premium option that doesn't skimp on quality, let's talk about the last product. Product number 5, Nelson Rig Commuter Tail Bag. Last but not least is the Nelson Rig CL 1060 S2, priced at $105.88. And wow, this one has a fantastic 4.8 star rating from 2,800 reviews. If you want a high-quality, dependable bag, this is definitely worth your attention. This bag boasts a capacity of 22.26 liters, which is perfect for a day's worth of gear. Made from Ultramax fabric, it offers excellent sun protection to keep it from fading. The quick-release straps make installation a breeze, and it maintains its shape even when empty, a feature many riders appreciate based on reviews. With its popularity, it's clear that this bag is a top choice for daily commuters. However, a few users mention the lack of space for longer trips. But if you're a commuter or someone who enjoys short rides, this limitation really won't matter much at all. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, stylish bag for daily use. Skip this if you're looking for something for long-distance travel. Given its features and warranty, it's a solid investment for any rider. So we've covered the Moziso, Kemomoto, and Rhinowalk options, each offering something unique, plus the premium Nelson Rig. Depending on your needs, whether it's size, durability, or everyday use, there's a perfect bag for you. Remember to choose what fits your riding style best.